Good morning, boys and girls, or good evening. It's me, your good friend North Sentinel Island, and we're back trying to figure out how to get this magical thing to work. Router.get slash is get users. I don't know what the hell this crap means. Controllers, user controller. Create user. User equal awake. User.create first name, last name, email. Okay, let's see if this damn thing works. So let's get rid of this and go into our good friend Postman. And wait for that to load up. I mean, yeah, why not? If Postman wants to know where I am, you know what? Let Postman do that. And we're doing this for 5,000 for some reason. I'm gonna switch it to eat. But okay, switch this to post. And we need three variables: first name, last name, and email. First name, last name, email. Bilbo Baggins, Bilbo at Shire.net. And we'll see what happens. Cannot post. Why? Why won't you work? And it's not even giving me an error or really giving me anything at this point. Some of these things sometimes are just bizarre. Because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. And then I'm due to this. And I don't even see server.js. The hell's this? Okay. Database connected, that's good. I still don't know where the hell my database is on this thing. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's a SQL. It should be. 3. And what the hell is my database called? My database. Hmm. Yeah, maybe I'm not running something. In case if that was the case, it would make sense. CD backend this. So anything here? Anything databasey? The answer, of course, is no. So let's go ahead and try to figure out what the hell I'm doing wrong. So we go up here, do that. and npx.env sequelize db migrate. When I do npx.env sequelize db migrate, I get this error because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see what we can do. Guess I probably didn't do CLI. That would answer the question. Do I have CLI? No, I do not. That answers the question. npm install sequelize CLI. Oh, there we go. Let's do that. You're up to date. That I didn't know. Okay, load a configuration file. Using environment development. Why the hell did I not see this thing? Oh, it does like a storage path. Okay, so let's do that. Kind of does help. That would explain a lot. Storage. Database.sqlite. You see, this is why I'm actually doing this project. Some point in the past, well, about 3 years ago, I actually knew how to do this, and I forgot. So it helps in this circumstance to learn. And before ChatGPT came out, it is a lot more difficult groping your way in the dark. Could have already did that. Let's do this. Yeah, we did modify that. I'm just wondering why I can't see the... Yeah, I mean it did. So let's just clear this one more time. Use an environment development. It says it migrated. The main issue is I do not see pop up in VS Code. Let me just double check. Don't want to see I'm OCD or anything, but I need to see the stupid thing. And you go that way? Yeah. Database.sqlite. Okay. SQLite right there. In my project root. Yeah, I'm going to check the Explorer tab. Let's refresh it. Still not fucking doing anything. What gives? Okay, let's try it this way. Clear this out. The status. Move to step 2. Okay. Development, storage. Okay, so you're in config, so you're going to be putting it into the root. Storage, get rid of you. Bring you over there. Now it's a little bit better because last time I think it wasn't 2 dots. Let's do this again. Okay, let's just see what we got. Might be failing silently, which is exactly what's happening. Now it says it's changed, which is good. Okay, let's just go back instead of just copying and pasting everything like a maniac. We already did that. This is one way of doing it. Find you, please. And he didn't do anything. It's always a lovely day. So much fun doing this with your good friend or Sentinel Island. ID auto command triggered. Name. Could always add this crap later. Okay, that and that. What the hell these things are. Let's clear you. If database.SQLite doesn't exist, might not be storing it properly. Of course it's not storing it properly. Let's undo all migrations. And then try this again. Or even better, let's just get some detailed stuff. And oh, it's the same thing. Here is the latest error. And config.js. So let's try this again. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, that's embarrassing. That is so embarrassing. Of course, it's not mentioning that because I didn't put in that word. Yeah, path. It doesn't know what path is. So let's start over. Okay, yeah, we're in development. Extension. Okay, so MPX equalize DB migrate. Alright, let's try this again. Uh-oh. Hello, we got it. Okay. And of course, we're not going to have any users because, well, we don't have any users yet. Which is why we just need to go ahead and do this thing. It worked, thank you. Thank you very much. Happy coding, no. I consider coding to be sort of mental torture. Okay, so let's just check to see if this post route works. And we're going to get rid of a lot of these because we don't need them. And you. I don't think this is his name. And it's a post route. So, like, basically, once we get this stuff ideally done, I mean, I still don't even have a Jot or whatever they're called yet. So you're just a name. You're just a name. And let's try less. Cannot post. Why? Why won't you let me post? Routes. User routes. Good. The reason is because, well, you have to do users. There we go. That's your problem. This is what happens when your skills get semi-rusty. There we go. Now what? Hmm. Anyways, 404 error. Okay. Localhost 5000 slash user slash name equal Bilbo. Controllers, user controller. Okay. Because the reason is because we didn't update any of this crap yet. Rec.body. Okay, so let's just do some stuff. And this. Create user. First name last name, type, sequelize.string, allow null to be false, even though I think we don't need this because if this is going to be semi-anarchy, username. There we go. Username dot create username. I'm going to just add an email for the time being. I mean, I could always just alter this as the time goes on. There we go. Username and email. Username and email. Username and email. I don't really like these error handling because I'd rather them just give me the entire error so I could actually see it. Good. Models. We got username, user name, email, data types dot string, username, email, everything's username, email. That's username, email. Everyone's happy now with username, email. So let's just do this again. This has to be username. Username. Oh, I don't want query params. What do I want? Body. Form data. Username. Bilbo. Email. Bilbo@shire.net. Form data. Let's try this again. Yeah. Cannot post. Why? Okay, let's just then switch. Wait, user.find all. Still need help because I don't know where I am. Let's just see I'm actually here. Or is it just because I don't even have Node on yet? Hmm. Let's see if we could add NodeMon. Maybe they'll at least give us some a little bit more help. At least we could say we did something. Error handling, in that I want a full error printout. I don't care if it crashes, as I need to see it to get any work done, as I have no clue what I am. Hmm. Okay. App.use. I need this thing. This is most important. Node server.js, nodemon.server.js scripts. That's where I put it into scripts. And you could go bye. And you could go bye. And you could go there. And everyone's happy. Hmm. npm install nodemon. Sometimes these things don't make any sense. Nodemon server.js. And here. And now let's go. That as well. Okay, now we have Nodemon. Everyone's happy. So now let's just do this error and figure out what happens. And we got absolutely nowhere. Here, 404. Why? Slash API. It's like, sometimes these things are the little things that drive you insane. And this is what happens when... Yes, I want everything. I don't care if you get my most dirty secrets. I don't care. Postman... Now, let's see it. Something went wrong. Okay. As user. Good. And we got the thing as user. That's always good. At least we know so far things are actually working. You're on track. I don't care. And you might be upset because you have, like, literally, well, nothing. What's your error code? 500. Now, what's a 500 again? 500 error code. Oh, okay. I'm just going to roll on the hypothesis that this is because I didn't do anything yet. So let's just post it. Body. Failed to create user. Why? Null 1 and 2. ID, username, email created outdated. From users as user into users null 1 and 2. Let's make sure. Yep, okay. So at least we're getting somewhere. So now we can get rid of this because it kind of works. Async recres. I don't know why the hell I have this controllers thing. I mean, I'd rather just have it the way I used to have it. Yeah, I know we have an error code. Let's just get rid of these for now. I don't care, it's broken. I don't care. There we go. Good. I don't want something good. See, this is what I want. I want an error that I could actually play with. Users.name. Okay. Regardless, I think the main thing I wanted to do today and I just don't like this frickin' controller idea. Let's just get rid of you. Whatever's done is done. It can never be made undone. Router get. Let's just create some boilerplate from another thing. You. There. Okay. And open folder. I want project. Let's copy and paste some stuff because it's getting late and my brain's beginning to turn into jello. How long have I been blabbering? 42 minutes. I'll wrap it up in a bit. Okay, so routes. There we go. Redo.get async regs ret next. There we go. And turn you off. And I don't know why the hell. So let's just go back up here and repeat what I just did. I just want to make this a little bit better. Get all. And we want, first of all, we need that and that. And that gets you to shut up. Models. Users. Res.json users. CD backend. npm start. Create user is not defined. User routes. Oh. Let's just get rid of you from now on. Nah. Create. Async. Rec. Res. Next. There. Okay, so now I could figure out how to create a post route. As my brain's turning to garbage. And they're probably gonna get at my limit soon. Da 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 da. Okay, models, user. Username and email. Migration, I have this. And the migration. And yes, I've forgotten how to do a simple post route. It's embarrassing. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. But once again, coding is it's a daily lesson in humility. In humility. Simple post route. Yeah, this is embarrassing. Okay, good. Try const equals rect dot body. I've learned best when I get your numlock back on. Equal rect dot body. What else you want? Okay. Username and email are required. That makes sense. Okay, this is easy. And da, da, da. Okay, username, email. And once again, I'd rather just have an error pop up instead of something I'm not exactly sure of. And we have users. Users. Okay, let's try this again. Cannot post again. Why? Where am I getting this other data from? Cannot post. Oh, slash create. Slash create. Slash users. Slash create. Username and email are required. Okay. Hmm. Test this in Postman. Let's just go from here. It's not even giving me anything. Yeah, bad request, okay. Maybe a bad syntax. Okay, raw. Raw JSON. Hmm. Okay, I did that there. It's weird. Okay, let's try it one more time. Could not get our socket hung up. Okay, we got this good. Undefined. Hmm. Okay, and now we have type error. Restart status 201. Okay. Duh. Hmm. Okay. Index. Hmm. User. User. What am I using? User. 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 And maybe I could get some more. Cannot get response. Why? Okay, at least we have a new error. Bring you up there for now. Refresh this bloody thing. And see if there's things automatic. Nah, nothing came in there. Once that actually happened to me, it was this weird way I was posting errors when it's not supposed to post errors. I mean, I was just like posting stuff. It made no sense. Good. Table users has no column named username. Does it now? Yes, it does have one now. So let's do this again. So at least it knows the right username, email. Oh, now it works. Okay, good, we got it. And see what we got here. Users 1, auto increment doing its thing. That's doing its thing. Let's just do another one. Bilbo. Okay, I'm going to declare this a success. At least we got something up and running. I mean, next thing we need to do is to set up some sort of password protection just to get this user's things back up and running. I mean, once we get through these hurdles, it's just going to be pretty easy to copy, at least. Basically, we just have to translate that Flask crap into something. At least, yeah, like once we do that, it'll be somewhat easy. Then we just start up. I'll just go ahead and start up a Git. And once we'll just set up a racked part. I'll do that next time. Alright, so at least we have this part. At least we can post something now. I'm going to declare this a victory. Embarrassing progress. And push it up. And then I guess what we could do is just to set up some sort of password crap, set that up. And then we could actually begin fleshing out some routes and deal with the front end as well. Alright, everybody. Thank you very much. This is North Sentinel Island signing out.